Hi, Amara! Amara.
My friends on the internet.
Say hi. Hi, Amara. Hi, Jaden. Hi, everyone. So we're here to stay. There.
We're cleaning up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Amara.
I got this, Ate. I made it.
Made it.
I could.
Clean it. Clean up. Tibay puto. Puto. Cebu style. And
Chocolate.
oh, freebies. Free puto. And then music wate.
Bago ko na
Wate.
Tapos inumin nyo yan. Anong amoy? Amoy yung
Chocolate yan,
Chocolate.
te. Yung ano, ginaganon, yung tableya.
Baterol. O, tableya.
Baterol.
Baterol sa amin yun. Oo.
Pero, kaya mo?
Ayaw kong minom.
Okay. So, bumili ako ng book sa Amazon. Ito. So, I bought this book sa Amazon. Wala siyang cover. So, ito, and then ito, volume 2. So, may tagay siyang something like quotes and something. And then ito is like a plain white lang. And then, Hi everyone, it's me, EG, and yeah, welcome to my channel! So today, pupunta kami ng Auburn today, and yun po ulit. And kasama ko yung tita ko, but she's in Ross right now. And me and Amara, nandito lang kami sa car, waiting for tita. And then after that, punta na kami ng Auburn. Yan lang. So, update ko kayo guys later. And anyway, ito pala yung outfit ko. I have this crop jacket or something. And then, I'm wearing my pants and Nike. Yan lang. Bye-bye.
I like this one. The cool now.
What?
Amara, what's this?
Ice cream.
How about this one?
Burger.
Burger. How about this?
Ketchup.
What?
Ketchup.
No, this is not ketchup. This is hot cocoa.
Yum.
You want some juice?
Yes.
You want some corn dog?
Yes.
You want some popcorn?
Yes.
Here's the ketchup. Tomato. Ah! You have tomato ketchup.
I see.
Guys, look at my new case. This is from Shane. Anyway, ito yung binili ko from Shane. May dalawa pa nito. Like that. And then, hi Kitty! So it's currently 1:41 na. And dito lang ako sa labas. I'm waiting for my auntie. And then we went to Nike or Nike. And then diba? And then bumili lang ako ng bag and shoes for my cousin. I like the shoes and I love the bag also. Kaya binili ko siya. It's a Jordan bag. I love it and I love my shoes. And dami nag-compliment sa akin today that they love my shoes daw. I love it now. I'm so hungry. What? I'm so hungry. Are you hungry?
No.
Aww. Can I have some burger?
Okay.
Okay. Ah. Okay.
I put it back.
Thank
Put
you.
it back.
Of course.
Have my
You're so cute.
dog.
The
Hot
corn dog.
Corn dog.
Good job. Oh, I like popcorn. Eat it.
Tapos parang gusto ko kumain ng ikot ng
My candy.
Want some candy?
fried rice. Ikaw. Brown rice ang kunin mo.
Is it good?
Saan anong klaseng fried rice? Shrimp fried rice, pork fried rice, majority chicken.
Here sa Din Tai Fung.